Look at this baby. Why does the baby look like both parents? How did these features reach the baby? Let's find out.
Sometimes children look like their parents, sometimes even like grandparents. How does this happen? Where does the information come from?
Look carefully. A tiny baby grows into an adult. But where does life begin? What starts this journey?
Both males and females have special body systems. They are not used for running or eating. So what are they for? These are the reproductive systems, which produce and transport sex cells for reproduction. Here are two special cells. They are very different in size. What do you think happens if they meet?
The two cells are getting closer. What happens next? Will something new be formed? Can you guess? Here is our first clue. The testes produce tiny reproductive cells called sperm. Millions are formed over time. Why does the body produce such a large number? These special cells are called sperm. They are very small. They can move. But where do they go? Now look at another clue. The female body also makes a special cell. Only one is usually released at a time. What is this cell?
This special cell is called an egg. It is much larger than a sperm. What happens if a sperm reaches it?
Now we can solve the mystery. When a sperm joins an egg, fertilization happens. A new cell is formed. This is the beginning of a new life. The new cell keeps dividing. More and more cells are formed. Slowly, an embryo begins to develop. Life starts growing. The embryo grows inside the uterus. This stage is called pregnancy. Over many months, the baby develops. Amazing, isn't it?
Understanding reproduction helps us care for our health. Good hygiene is important. Learning these facts helps us make responsible choices. This knowledge is useful throughout life.
Let's do a quick activity. Can you arrange the stages in the correct order? Try it before checking with your teacher.
Think carefully. If fertilization does not happen, what do you think will happen next in the reproductive cycle?
Why do you think children are similar to their parents, but not exactly the same? What could be the reason?